Oh, he's turning around. He's turning around. Here he comes. Here he comes, boys. Kill him. Good shot. Kill him. Good shot. Some got pole gun.
I think it's a bufflehead. Yeah, I missed the hell out of it the first shot. Good boy, Oakley. Yeah, Drake wood duck.
Because there's no skunk game.
What, Ryder talking shit?
He said, why'd you shoot that motherfucker?
Damn. Ah. Nah, I didn't get him. My fucking body was twisted the wrong way. Hey, sweeties can't, sweeties stripes can't.
Cattle. No.
Trying to fly, Antonio, but he's hurt. He's trying to fly, but he's hurt.
It's the same cup of coffee, but they group back right to the left. Yep, they're coming in, they're coming in. I'm about to try to cock it for the first time since I put that piece in. Put that together.
It probably, as soon as you were to cock it,
because what happens is that thing's moving too, it's got too much play in it because that piece ain't holding it stable. At least we know what the problem is and it's fixable. So you can either buy that piece and fix that gun or buy a whole new gun. I'd rather just buy the piece and fix that gun.
Well, the first one he found won't be like $60-something.
Hell, if you want to shoot, you can shoot. I'll go see if the big camera's in the boat. Hell, I'll film.
No. I mean, you want me to film? I'll put it in the film if there's another group coming. I think.
You should have said
told him
when that other group comes.
I told him we put damn riders together.
We weren't 100% sure how this morning was going to go. It's supposed to be cloudy, but it dropped like, what, 39 degrees? So it got a little chilly last night. Come out here. Yesterday it was rough, 15-mile-per-hour winds, still knocked down some birds, but so we come out here, try our luck, see if we couldn't get some birds to come in. And old Bennett, he done tore his shotgun up, a TriStar Raptor, done tore it up, so gave him my gun and forced to try out the new camera. So hopefully they ain't done flying and we can get y'all a good group with the big camera on 4K, baby. Get him, get him, get him. Oh, no. Nice. Oh, heck yeah. Man, the big camera wasn't focused. Dang. Shoot him again. Make sure they're going to stand up and shoot him. I think they're dead.
If they ain't happy.
Heck yeah. Well, I guess we stay until 10:30.
Shoot him. Nice. Hit him again. Hit him again.
Nice. Hit him again.
You're kidding me.
A little too far.
You're kidding me.